Hi everyone, it's Benjamin, so I hope you're doing well. I'm gonna show you how we will manage the translation verification tasks. So here is the Excel files where all of us will be able to access to it. And there I will put the names of the accounts of several clients, and you will see in different columns the language they want us to check. So mainly the first columns is just the login and password, integration of the contents for the C column, which just shows if I have already done the work to by integrating the menu. You cannot verify the translation if I didn't have done the work before that. So here you will see at the top, column F, some links to get papers, documentation tutorial, and also this video. So also the link to connect to the back office account. So here, as an example, we have the account of mimiapr@gmail.com. I will copy it and I will go on the login page. So I connect to the account, and there I will be able to see this screen. I will zoom a bit. So basically, you click on modifier here in French, which is modify. And as an example, here you can also check the translation by clicking on modify also, and here you will be able to modify the translation of the title of the section. So if I go there, for example, here I will have in English, etc., etc. So basically you take a look on the English version translation, because Carolina, my girlfriend, will have checked the translation before I will ask you to make the verification. And once you have written the translation, you click on validate. So with that you will have verified the translation of one title. So you can do the same for this subtitles of category. Here you will be able to modify the translation of the subtitles. So like for example, I will gonna show you if I go on this category as a user. For the instance, the menu at 21.5 euros. If I click on it in English, here for example it's written an entry of your choice, so this is not the proper word. So basically I come back to the modification verification system, and I will write one starter of your choice. Oh. After I go down and I validate, and now on the user interface, like on your smartphone, you will be able to see the verification translation. So here the work is done for these subtitles. So basically now all the dishes, and for example here on each dish you can click on each label of each dish, and you go totally you scroll down until this button, acceder button. You click on it, and there you will be able to find the titles firstly. So here we have it in English and so on. Here you will have to make the translation. So basically if you don't see any normally you will see all each time an English translation, so you will be able to understand what you have to read in your own language. So for example, here in English it's not written, but when it's blank right here, for example, in English, the ingredients, it just means no one uses the system, the solution on his smartphone, and the algorithm didn't translate, for instance. But if you go with your mobile phone on the web page, after there you will be able to see the automatic translation. I will make an example. So if I go there, here is the first click. So basically I'm the first one who requests the translation of these dishes, oysters. And now if I come back and refresh, now it's in. So it means I was the first user to request the translation in English for these dishes, so now the algorithm recorded it. But if it's wrong, you can modify it here and so on, and you validate. And you have to do that for all the dishes of each client, where in the Excel file it's orange. But for instance, I will send you personal message when everything is set up for you to come translate and verify all the translation. So basically, just if you can know what are the tax if I send money, if we proceed by PayPal or by bank account and so on. Just let me know if you have some information with your bank, because it have some commission. So let's try to don't lose money on transfer of money. So that's it for me. The startup is growing quite fast. Now we have around 15 paying clients in a little bit less than 2 months. A lot of meetings is coming, the big ones. So yeah, that's really nice to see that going from scratch, and now it's making it profitable. So I'm counting on you, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to call me or to send me a message. Maybe during 2020 I will offer the possibility to create a sub company of mine, using for you to be able to use my software to create your company, but with my software, and you sell it in your own country if you live in a touristic area, and in exchange of some percentage and so on. It's something we have to discuss, but the solution is already available in English and Spanish. When I say that, it's for example here at the top of the screen, top right here, you see you have 3 languages available. So in all French, English and Spanish native countries, our solution can be sell to hotel restaurants. So yeah, that's it. So if you have any ideas, suggestions, questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Have a good evening, everyone. It's Saturday night, midnight over here, but too much work to go to party. Maybe in 1 year I will try to organize something to make meet everyone, but we have people in the team coming from all over the world, so happy Christmas if I don't call you since. Bye.